So I'm going to show you how to do a partial quotients division problem here. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to want to do is draw our long vertical line down from the end of the problem there. The next thing we're going to do is start with a really nice, easy number. And my recommendation is to always use the number 10 when you're starting. Unless you know for sure that a bigger number works and that bigger number is really simple for you to multiply by. So for me, I'm going to start with a times 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 27 and I'm going to multiply it by 10, and that's easy because anytime I multiply by 10, I just add a 0 on the end, so I get 270. And I'm going to subtract, and I get 354. So I have 354, and so once again I'm going to have to multiply 27 by a number that I'm going to put down here. And I know 10 will work again because 10 times 27 is 270. So once again I'm going to put 10 times 10. I'm going to put 270. I'm going to do 4 minus 0 is 4. This becomes a 2, and I'm left with 84. Okay, so now I know I can't do another set of 10 because 270 is far too much. So I have to do another easy number. So this is where I may use some scrap paper because, again, easy numbers are numbers like 2 or 5. So off here I might, on the side, I might do 27 times 5 to see if that works. Okay, of course, that's 135. So that's not going to work. 5 is going to be far too much. So I'm going to go with another easy number. And for me, an easy number is 2. So 27 times 2 is 54. I know that's going to work. So over here, I'm going to do times 2, 54. 84 minus 54 is 30. Okay, and I can go in one more time. 27 will go into 30 one time, so I put times 1, 27, I subtract, and I get 3. So now all the hard work is done, and this is really the easy part. So I go down the side of all the partial quotients I used, and I circle them. Times 10, times 10, times 2, times 1. Okay, and so my next step is to add together all those partial quotients. So 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 2 is 22, plus 1 is 23. So my quotient becomes 23, and the last thing I have to do is look, did I have anything left at the bottom down here? And yes, I did, 3, so that becomes my remainder. If I had nothing left down at the bottom, if I had a 0, I'd have no remainder, but I had a 3, so my quotient is 23, remainder 3. I hope this video helps, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have in class.